Hello everyone, I'm Shobita Joshi. I'm sure you're watching my videos on Shobita Joshi Talks. Please like them and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you keep getting further notifications for my upcoming videos. Before I start this video, I want to talk something about handwriting. These days it's a trend, it's a fashion to use ball pens and various other fancy pens. But when we were students, we always used these ink pens called fountain pens. And there's a big hassle in filling the ink and everything, but it helps you to improve your handwriting, have a nice, good flow. No doubt the efforts of the teachers also counts. They also make lots of efforts to improve your handwriting. And a small tip, whenever you are using a pen, don't put the cover of the pen on top of it. Just remove the cover, keep it on side and then write, because then the flow is really smooth and good. With the cover on, the pen becomes heavy. That hampers your flow of writing. So now let's begin this video today. And today I am going to teach you kinds of adjectives. In my previous video I taught you kinds of pronouns. So today it's going to be kinds of adjectives. So what is an adjective? Adjective is a describing word. It describes the qualities of the nouns and it adds more to the meaning of the nouns. How many kinds of adjectives are there? There are 5 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity or number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. So first we take up adjectives of quality. Adjectives that tell us that what kind of a person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. Since they describe a person or thing, they are also called descriptive adjectives. For example, the girl has a beautiful voice. It is describing the voice of the girl. What type of voice? Beautiful voice. We should always wear good clothes. What type of clothes? Good clothes. A giraffe has a long neck. What type of neck? A long neck. What a terrible mistake I made. The quality of mistake is terrible. So these are all adjectives of quality. Now we come to the second one, adjectives of quantity or number. Adjectives that tell us how many or how much are called adjectives of quantity or number. For example, 4 boys ran down the street. How many boys? 4. There are 20 boys in the class. How many? 20. I want some money. It's telling like I want some money. There is little hope of victory. So these are all called the adjectives of quantity or number. Now we come to the third one, demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives that are used to point out specific people or things are called demonstrative adjectives. They answer the question which. Is that your cap? Which? That. These mangoes are ripe. Which mangoes? These. Oh, look at that funny kitten. Which kitten? That kitten. Is this book the one you want? Which book? This book. So these are all called demonstrative adjectives because they are pointing towards a specific thing or people. Now we come to the fourth one, that is interrogative adjectives. The adjectives what and which ask questions. They are therefore called interrogative adjectives. What kind of a man is he? What? Which way shall we go? Which? Which banana do you want? Again, which? Which banana do you want? It's asking a question. So these are called interrogative adjectives. Now we come to the fifth one, possessive adjectives. The adjectives my and your. My and your are called possessive adjectives because they tell us something about the possession of a thing. For example, this is my book. That is your book. So these are called possessive adjectives. Now, before I end this video, I want to tell you something about the attributive and predicative use of adjectives. So just listen to this sentence very carefully. A big black horse stood in the courtyard. In this sentence, the adjectives big and black are juxtaposed with the noun horse with which they go. Now listen to the second sentence. The horse was big and black. In this sentence, the adjectives big and black are not near the noun horse and they help to form the predicate. So when an adjective is juxtaposed with a noun with which it goes, it is said to be used attributively. When an adjective is placed away from its noun and helps to form the predicate, it is said to be used predicatively. So these are the attributive and predicative use of adjectives. I hope you have understood what are the adjectives and how many kinds of adjectives are there. There are 5 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity or number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. And last one I did with you was attributive and predicative use of adjectives. So what is the attributive use of adjective? When an adjective is juxtaposed with a noun with which it goes, it is said to be used attributively. And what is the predicative use of adjective? When an adjective is placed away from this noun and helps us to form the predicate, it is said to be used predicatively. Hope you have understood it well. If not, then please put it in the comment section and I can do it again with you all. So have a nice time, enjoy yourself, and please keep safe. And be connected because these videos are really very useful for learners of English as well as for students of all age groups and of course for the teachers. Okay, bye. See you in my next video.